Dhanvantari is a strikingly handsome deity, depicted with four hands that carry a pot of amrita, a conch, a discus, medicinal herbs, a leech, or the sacred text of Ayurveda, representing the divine essence of healing and medical knowledge. He is said to have emerged from the ocean of milk during the cosmic churning known as Samudra Manthana, carrying the elixir of immortality. Although the Asuras initially seized the Amrita, it was reclaimed by Vishnu's enchanting Mohini. Dhanvantari is credited with the foundation of Ayurveda, detailed in the Dhanvantari Nighantu, and is described as waterborn, Abja, in the Brahmanda Purana. The text further foretells that in the second Dwapara Yuga, he would incarnate to attain devahood and restore the knowledge of Ayurveda to humanity. During his earthly incarnation in the second Dwapara Yuga, Dhanvantari was born to King Dirghatapas of Kashi and educated under the guidance of sage Bharadwaja. He mastered all 8 branches of medicine, including Salya Chikitsa, surgical treatments, and disseminated his knowledge to numerous disciples. On one of his journeys to Kailasha mountain, his disciples were attacked by venomous serpents led by the serpent king Vasuki. Using his unparalleled medical expertise, Dhanvantari revived them and subdued the serpents. When Manasa, the serpent goddess, attempted to defeat him, she temporarily caused his disciples to swoon. Employing his mastery of Vishwavidya, universal knowledge, Dhanvantari restored their consciousness and countered Manasa's attack. When she wielded Shiva's Trishula against him, both Shiva and Brahma appeared to pacify the conflict, restoring peace. The Sushruta Sanghita acknowledges Divodasa Dhanvantari, king of Kashi, as an incarnation of the deity, and credits him with imparting divine Ayurvedic knowledge. Chapters often begin with the phrase, as Lord Dhanvantari declared, reflecting the god's revered status as the ultimate source of medical wisdom. The text also records that Dhanvantari received Ayurveda from Indra, echoing the tutelage of sage Bharadwaja, establishing him as the supreme authority in the science of life. Dhanteras, the festival dedicated to Dhanvantari, celebrates his role as the physician of the Devas and an incarnation of Vishnu. On this day, devotees honor him alongside goddess Lakshmi during the evening Lakshmi Puja, illuminating their homes with diyas, singing bhajans, and offering sweets. In Maharashtra, a special Naivedya of jaggery mixed with coriander seeds is prepared. Homes are cleaned and decorated with rangoli patterns, lanterns, and footprints symbolizing Lakshmi's arrival. The festival is considered highly auspicious for purchasing gold, silver, utensils, and household items, while lambs are also offered to Yam, the god of death, to avert untimely demise. In rural areas, farmers honor their cattle, acknowledging them as a source of livelihood.